Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. I'm excited to share with you my DIY holiday gift wrapping station that is in my office. I'm kind of revamping my built-in here and reorganizing it to fit my lifestyle currently, and the gift wrapping station has been an exciting new part. So let's get started. Okay friends, many of you know in my home office, my woman cave, I have this kind of built-in against the wall where I store all kinds of things from crafting to stationery to all of my things. And so one thing that I wanted to set up was a gift wrapping station, and I took this cabinet here and I cleared it out because I wanted it to really function as a gift wrapping station that everyone in the family can just come to get things that they need to wrap gifts. It makes it convenient for everyone to have a centralized gift wrapping station so that everyone can get use out of it. The great thing about it is I can set this up to be year-round for when I have birthdays and anniversaries and things like that, and it's the perfect cabinet to do this in. And so I basically just have these refrigerator bins that I had, and I use these to put in the ribbon and the tags and things like that. They fit perfectly on the shelf. They're easy to pull out and sit on the floor when you're wrapping gifts, and then you can put them back. I then got this from Target. This is a little kitchen sorting organizer, plate organizer, or pan organizer rather, I think that's what they call it. And it's great for gift bags. You can sit them in here, keep them sorted by size, along with my gift boxes. Again, having something like this makes it very clear for family members to see where they can get what they need to wrap gifts. And because you're typically wrapping it for each other, you can come whenever you need to. And I've always had this board, which is great for shopping lists. Along with, I have this bin here that is great for my shrink wrap gun, and things like that. And I got that from Laundress. And so all of the wrapping paper is at the bottom, and all of the bags and bins are at the top. And it's just really simple. It's not anything that's fancy or anything, but it allows for me to come wrap my gifts, Mike to come wrap his gifts. And I think after the holidays, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of change out the paper. I'll take the Christmas paper, put it back in my Christmas bin, and put more year-round paper in the bottom here. And that's just a basket that I had got from Home Goods. And then I can just keep general labels and things here. And then the same with the gift bag. So this is something that can be easily changed out, but it gives a lot of function. And I think it's such a fun, addition to my woman cave. And I'm so happy and excited that I was able to kind of create this little station here. So friends, I just wanted to come and bring you this quick video to share with you how I transform a cabinet into a fun gift wrapping station that is a lot of function for everybody in the family. If you want to do that, you can take a cabinet in your kitchen or anywhere that you have a little cabinet that's centralized for everyone, that they can easily get to it, and just make a few tweaks, and it will be perfect for everyone to go get all of those gift wrapping essentials that they need. And I will be bringing you more little quick tips like this for the holidays, so look out for those. Have a beautiful day, my friend. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.